Hello, this is Samantha, the Pro Se Queen, and I thank you for joining my channel. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you're telling your friends and family about this channel so that they can get educated in the legal sense. And we just talk about legal. We talk about legal issues. I'm not an attorney, and right now I'm a paralegal, but I'm going to school to further my education and being a paralegal. And I just want to thank you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's right there, right there, right there. And then hit that notification, bing, right there, so that you can learn all the things that you need to know about any issue that's pertaining to legal. And if you have a question, I always enclose my email address so that you can, ask me a question one-on-one, okay? Okay, today we're going to talk about, since this is Friday, we're going to talk about clothing, court appearance. You know, everybody at some point in time going to have to go to court. Either you're the plaintiff, you're a defendant, you're going to testify, you're going to sit in, you're going to be supportive of somebody. You're going to go to court. And normally when you go to court, your appearance before the judge, your first appearance before the judge and everything after that is so important. So, I do court coaching. And when I lived in Memphis, I used to do court consulting. And what I did was I sat and I helped the defendant get ready for court. I told him what colors he need to wear, how he need to dress, how he need to cover up the tattoos, how the appearance that he get, because that jury that he was going to, if he was in a criminal court, the jury that had to decide his fate was looking at him and they were judging him. Yes, they do judge. And if he's in a civil thing, he want the judge to take him serious. So, I did voir. Now, normally when you go to court, stuff like this appearance right here, this is my free hippie look. But normally I wouldn't go to court like this. I dare not. I'll take the earrings off like I'm doing now. I put on either no earrings or small earrings. My hair will be a totally different way. It'll be either kind of pinned up a little bit or it'll be at my shoulder length. I don't wear a lot of makeup. I wear I minimize a lot of stuff. Jewelry, I don't wear a lot of jewelry. I may wear my iWatch or I'll wear my diabetic little pendant that I wear to let people know I'm a diabetic. But other than that, I don't wear, I just start, this is something unnoticeable that I may wear. Sometimes I take it out. If I was going on a job interview, I would take this out. And then, after I get the job, then I'll put it in or I'll cover it up with a little small Band-Aid or something like that out of respect. But anyway, when you go into court, that's your first impression with any judge, any attorney. Your attorney has to be on point, has to look good. I've seen attorneys where, they have, I'm going to give a good case in point. It was an attorney in Memphis that was running for, she was an attorney, and she was a black woman. She wore honey blonde hair, and she decided to run for judge. And when she did that, she had to do a makeover or overhaul, because who would want a judge that's got blonde hair and all of that? They think of that as being unprofessional, ghetto, or whatever. So she dyed her hair black, and she changed her outfits, and she became a judge. And I'm very proud that she became a judge because she was a good attorney. So appearances is very important when you're going before the court. Now, I'm gonna tell you the colors, the natural colors to wear if you're going to court, so that it will help you if you're going. Always wear brown, blue, black. 3 colors: brown, blue, black. If you're a plaintiff and you really want to get your case across, you wear brown, blue, or black. And if you're trying to let the judge know that you are the aggressor, that you are the plaintiff, that you're going to initiate this, that you're going to fight, always wear some red. It can be red shoes. It can be a red pellet or something like that. If you notice, when the president speaks and he's speaking to the country and we at war, he wears a red necktie. That means that he's not playing. He's coming. He's finna get it with the get it. But when he's speaking to the American public and he wants us to listen and understand, he wears a baby blue tie. That means humbleness. That means that he's coming to you he's humble. He's humbling himself to you. He's coming as the leader of wisdom. That's what it is. So when you wear navy blue, brown, and black, that those colors are court colors. Those are colors. I wouldn't suggest going to court with nothing like this, pants sagging down, showing your tattoos. If you go and know you're going to court, you can wear the same outfit. But go get you some slacks. Make sure you wear a belt. Make men can look preppy. Well, if you're gonna wear jeans, make sure they clean. Make sure that they're not, don't have any holes in it. Don't wear no t-shirt. You can go to the thrift store, or whatever. Get you a button-down shirt. Make sure your hair is clean. If you going to court, pull it back. Always pull it back, because if you pull it back, it makes it look like a kept hair. But if you have it hanging all down like this, like I said, they'll treat you accordingly. Please don't think for 1 minute that the court is not judging you. The court is always judging you. That's the judiciary system is a very judgmental government. So when you're doing that, ladies, same here. If you're going, don't wear no green, blue hair, like when I'm going to court or something, I change my whole appearance as hairstyle. I make it look something plain or simple. If you don't want that, get your wig. If you don't want to take your blue hair out, get your wig. Get you something that looks nice. So because when you go to court, I'm telling you something, especially if you go in a criminal court, and you looking at some charges, I go as plain and humble as I can, even let my attorney talk, because you looking at some years in jail versus being dismissed or probation. I'm going to do what I have to do to get that ladder than to get the 10s and 20 years or whatever. So you may want to, like I said, don't go there wearing no shorts. A lot of courts won't let you go in like this. Go like you were going on a job interview. Go, wearing something plain. Don't wear no jewelry. Make sure you don't wear a lot of makeup. Always speak professional when you go into court. Don't say to the judge, yeah, no. They look at stuff like that, say, yes, Your Honor, no, Your Honor, may I, Your Honor. Always give him honor, because he's deciding your fate. So you may want to do that. Another thing that I would suggest, that if you're going to court, especially if you're going to go and you're a plaintiff in a case, make sure that when you talk, speak very clearly. If you don't know how to do that, get in front of a mirror and practice. Practice what you're going to say. Write down what you say. Anybody that know me, I show the book. I show my little notebook. And I that's my word. Let me show you. See, a little notebook. I got a miniature size. And if I'm going to court and I want to ask the judge something, or I'm a plaintiff or a defendant, never been a defendant, but always been a plaintiff. I'm in a plaintiff, and I'm going to court, and I hear the lawyer start to talk, to keep interrupting the judge, and so he can say, well, you gonna get your chance and stuff like that. Now what I do is I do this. I get my little notebook. I get my little pen. I'm just going to use this. My little pen. I start jotting down questions I want to ask the judge or the attorney. I start doing that. And yes, you can write in court. You don't have to talk. A lot of lawyers, when they're trying to catch you up on something, they'll start writing down stuff, what you said and stuff like that. And then especially if you're on the stand and you start talking, or you explain to the judge something, they sitting and writing down. Or if he's not writing down, his legal assistant is with him and she's writing stuff down. And then as soon as you sit down and shut up, she start pointing out everything you said that may be inconsistent. That's how you do it. So you can do that to him. So I hope this is a short video, and like I said, this helps if you're going on a job interview. If you have to You have to look the part to get the job. You have to look the part to get the success. If you don't look the part, you can't get the success. So if you're representing yourself in court, I hope you take this to heart. Ask somebody if you not sure what to wear. Ask somebody. It's nothing wrong with asking somebody. Like I said, right now, I can dress like this because I am at home, and no one sees me. But if I had to go to court, yeah, I've seen court clerks, once they get the job, they wear thin, skimpy clothes. That's very unprofessional, because when you do that, you wear stuff, and especially in government where you're dealing with law enforcement, then somebody come at you the wrong way, you're going to get offended. So how do you do that? You dress professional. Don't wear nothing too tight. Don't wear nothing too loose. Make sure that it's on point. You know what's tight. You know what's loose. Don't go in there dressing like you went to the club. Dress like you were going to church. You were going to church and you were meeting Jesus for the first time. That's how you need to go to court. So I hope I made this video a little bit more. I hope I made it more interesting. I hope I made it where it's a clear understanding. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment on this video. And I wish you the best of luck and happy Friday. Go do something. Enjoy yourself. Be safe, okay? Thank you.